some extra help. So me and my mom and dad and my brother are going to help.
Yay! So this is the cotton.
Cotton. Do you want to see?
That's our daddy.
Do you want to walk with me to the shed?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. I don't know what way should we go.
Wait, close to the cotton. Wow.
The cotton. Daddy, come on. Like right here, you can see my dad there. Cotton.
It's so soft.
And if you touch the cottons here, it's very soft. And this is actually my new shoes. And the one that Aiden's wearing, that's Aiden's new shoes. Let's walk to the shed. Daddy, Aiden, let's walk to the shed. And I'm just only going to show you the big tank with cottons. Enjoy, guys. Let's go. So here, there's many cottons there. And here, look there, over there, that's the big tank of cottons. Mommy.
Yes, and this is the
That
baby
one.
Aiden.
And this
Yeah,
is
let's
my
go.
brother Aiden there.
Over there. Oh, hi, baby.
Hi. So see that white one?
Mm-hmm.
That's where the cottons are. And that's the tank there. Run. So here are the cottons. I think they're going to turn into cotton candy. It feels like cotton candy. This is massive. What's this? And some of them are stuck together. But this one there, this is the tank. This hard. It's not hard. This is hard. Not hard, baby. And here, the dirt. That's the dirt. And here on the other side,
Wow.
here's another tank there. The other
Hey,
one here.
where have you been?
I don't know.
This is a big one. This is a huge one.
This tape. That's what it makes look shiny. Here's the other side.
Mhm. And let's go to the other side
And let's
so we
go-
can check
let's go
what's
to
in
that
here.
side. Mine. What's this?
Here. Wow. This way.
Here's my dad.
Hello.
Here's my mom.
What?
Hello! I-introduce pa ako ni Aiden.
Hi guys, we're leaving now, and the last one I'm going to show you my car. So come on, follow me. there, and they're going to the car. Come on. There is my brother getting inside there, and my dad helping. There's my brother there, and my dad there. Queenie! Here is our car! And this is the doors. Here's the other side. And here is our seat.
Okay. You can go inside now.
Aiden, come here, do like this.
And here's my bunny that I always snuggie. And I want to show you something. But
Yay, you no, 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 no.
my lunch pet.
Yeah, it's okay.
And it's really cool because I can put food inside here. And drinks. Like a restaurant there.
Thank you, Cotton Farm.
And I'm going to keep this in here. Here's my brother drinking water. Aiden, say hi. Hi. Here's our Doritos. My car seat is here.
Put your seatbelt on.
Done.
Your seatbelt?
Yep.
Oh, good.
And here's my book and the golden comb.
Golden comb.
Golden comb.
That's where I draw things there. My bag with my lipstick. My unicorn lipstick.
Okay.
That's it for now. Bye.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Say bye, Aiden.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.